Hello friends, this is Shreya from Couple on Wheels. In this video, we are heading towards Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, as we are leaving for Mumbai. In Mumbai, we will be staying for a night at the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. We will be also giving you a room tour of the Taj Mahal Hotel. So please stay with us and enjoy our video. Let's start our room tour. Come with me.
Hello, please come in. So guys, are you all excited for the room tour? Even I am excited. Come with me. So let's start with the Taj Mahal room tour. So first, let's open this. Both the things are empty. Over here they have given two laundry bags, one shoe shine. Over here they have given two pair of slippers. One is over here and one I have on, and these two parts are empty. Here they have provided with some nice royal cushions. The cushion is quite delicate, and look at this. This is quite comfy and cozy. Here this is your locker for keeping your valuable items. This is a torch. Over here you can keep your luggage, and at the end this is kind of a shoe rack. Now let us open this. Let's see what's there inside. Okay, so here we have got these cloth hangers, one iron table for ironing your clothes. The upper part is empty. Here you can keep all your clothes. This is just a design. I thought we can open this also, but no, this is just a design. Okay, so over here you got two coffee mugs. You have got a electric kettle, mineral water, coffee making machine. This box is kind of a jewelry box. This is quite delicate. It looks quite nice, and when you open it, you get here milk creamers. Sorry, not milk creamers. You get here green teas, masala chai, coffee, sugar. So many they have given. People, those who have the habit of taking a sip of bed tea, for them this is a perfect one. You also got this stirrer, so that you can just take the items and stir it at the time of having coffee or tea. This is the first drawer. It's empty. You can keep your items, whatever you feel like. So this is, I guess, yeah, this is the refrigerator. Over here you get milk concentrate. There are many, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And over there you can keep your bottles, like wine bottles or water bottles if you want. So this is the big size mirror, my favorite mirror. This one is a mirror. This is the big TV. As soon as you enter the room, they give up a nice welcome quote from Taj. And this is the big king size bed. This is quite comfy and quite cozy. I just love the coziness of the bed. And the best part of the room is yet to come. Before that, just look over here. This is kind of a nice sofa cum chair, kind of a sofa. Over here you can sit and relax during the evening time and have your cup of tea and also your cup of coffee or a glass of wine, whatever you feel like. This is quite cozy. Now comes the most important part. This is my favorite part of the room. I just love this, guys. Just look at this. This is so awesome. Just have a look. This is the balcony and just look at the view. Just look at the view. I am just speechless. Gateway of India and also the sea view you get from this room. This is the best part, I think, from my side. I felt like this is the best part. You get a nice view. This is the main attraction of Mumbai, the Gateway of India. This kind of gives you a nice feeling. Oh my God, what a lovely view. What a lovely view. During sunset, this place will be full of colorful. Gateway of India will be lit up with bright colors, and also you can watch properly. Okay, now as because today is my birthday, so my husband has arranged for me this nice celebration. I'm just loving it. I think this is my best birthday till date, and also thanks to Taj, because the way my husband has conveyed them, the same to same way they have made all the arrangements. Even the staff, the people, they were so lovely, they were so welcoming, and they were so nice to us. Okay, and the last part we come here. Let's have a look at the bathroom. It's a bit small, but it's good. A basin. Here they give you a product from Forest Essentials. Not bad. Handmade soap. They give soap, butter soap, handmade soap. Now I think this is a drawer. Over here you get a dryer. You get a hand towel. You get 2 sets of hand towel. 2 whiskey glasses. 1 Forest Essential body lotion. And one thing I want to say, Forest Essentials is my favorite brand. You get 2 earbuds and 1 puff. This is a disposable bag. This is a shower cap. Like, they have provided everything in this bathroom. If you require any additional toiletries, then they are there to serve you. You get a toothbrush. You get 2 pairs of toothbrush. 2 sets of toothbrush. 1 toothpaste and 1 comb. I think this setup is lovely. You get a bath towel over here. 1 mirror. You can zoom it up and see. This is the bathroom. Over here you have a hand shower. No need to explain all this. You get another handmade soap. You get a cleanser, a conditioner and a shower gel from Forest Essentials. And this part, guys, you know, no need to explain, I guess. You have a sliding door in this bathroom.
Now let me share with you all few glimpses of the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. So friends, this is it. We have come to an end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Couple on Wheels. Please shower some love. And our next video will be coming very soon. So till then, stay tuned. Loads of love to you all.